Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we are at the redeem promo codes. You guys can go to this link right here. I'll be putting it in the description. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get some free items for free. Just go to this link, and first thing you can do is tweet Roblox. Sorry. Just put in tweet Roblox, hit redeem. I already redeemed it. You can get this item right here for free. It's a shoulder item, and it's really cool. You can have this, and yeah. And then next is Spider Cola, right like that. Code already redeemed. Right here, you guys can get this free Spider Cola or Bloxy Cola, whatever you guys want to call it, and it goes on your shoulder. And today we got our newest promo code right here. Just head on over here. I have not redeemed it. What is it? Happy Cat 2021. This? Yeah! It's that, and if you go on and head over to your avatar, you will get this Arctic Ninja Cat right here. And just take off that, and put on this. And there you go, guys. You have gotten yourself a free item. It's kind of like this hat. These are all my hats. Yes, I have a lot of hats. And then, so there you go. You guys got these two items. And also, if you go to the, what the flip? If you go down to the Roblox Creator Challenges, and you just enter this right here, enter, and just enter it,